Hi, Mr. Unkert here, and in this video we're going to look at hexadecimal colors, or hex codes, for my CSS colors. Okay, so one of the websites that I found that I can use to find out what colors a certain website is using is this website, https://html-color-codes.info/colors-from-image/. Anyways, you can look it up. HTML color codes. All right. So this gives me an option to upload a file. So if I want to figure out what the certain color of a file is, or a website is, I can take a screenshot using a snipping tool and then upload the file. So let's go and look at my desktop, and I have colors from Wyndham and YouTube. So let's take a look. All right, so I'm going to upload the file and then click on the color here. Okay, and then it's going to give me a hexadecimal code. Okay, so the first two colors are the red, second two colors are the green, and then the third two colors are the blue. But so this gives me this 003366 for the hex code. So I want to say this is like a dark blue. So let's take a look at my style sheet, and we're going to scroll down to where my colors are and create a new color. We're at Tim sign in the last video. So this one's going to be a dark blue. And I'm going to pick the color, and I'm going to do a hashtag for the hexadecimal code, and then 003366 was the code. Hit Control S to save that, and let's do a heading 2 with the class of dark blue rather. All right, so this is a dark blue, and that was actually taken from the website where I teach. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but so that's what they use for the background, so I can figure out easily what it is and then make a site somewhat modeled off that if I really wanted to. Okay, so this is a dark blue, as you'll see. Okay, let's take a look at the YouTube colors. So I'm going to upload a file, click on YouTube, and I want to see what kind of red they're using. And they're using just basically, this is red, but if I wanted to do the hexadecimal code for it, I could change. I already have a red class, and this is actually the color red, but in hexadecimal code. So I'm going to do FF000, 4 zeros rather. Yes, 4 zeros. Okay, and then go back here, and I'll just type h2.red, and this is the red that YouTube uses, which is just your regular red. Okay, go back to my site, refresh, and you'll see this is the red that YouTube uses. Okay, play with this tool. It's another way to find colors, and personally, I like the hexadecimal method for defining colors. With RGBA, that's pretty cool. You can define the opacity, and HSLA as well. You can define the opacity. But you can use this tool, this online tool, just Google it, to kind of take a look at what websites, maybe websites you go to that you like, and you want to see what their colors are. Maybe not use the exact color, but use a similar color, because you don't want to copy a website exactly, obviously. And just play with it. Have fun with looking at the colors that you can produce. And if you have any questions after doing that, please leave comments in the comments below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And also, if you're interested in web development and design, please check out my website, webdevinstruction.com. You see a link to that on my YouTube channel page with that banner with the code. And also, I'll include a link in the description. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.